And when fighting stopped, I just have a look from over fence. There was one guy changing his, the gun and taking the other one because he parked on this side driveway next to the mosque house. And he just take the gun and then fighting started again,
What is a need contained at the...
the speed start. After 3-4 minutes, we heard, the firing. And it was from the main entrance of the building. And then everybody just run toward the back doors just to save themselves.
Cordon, contain and appeal. So
first we hide behind the cars and, under the cars. And then when we see that firing is still on, we try to, jump the fence. And firing was on and on, And one person we saw with us was bullet in a arm. And
many staff being deployed. They'll be pulling in staff from right around the country to go to... Did this to happen in New Zealand? No. We train for this, police train for this, and I still go to the police college and teach negotiators. Well, it's draining on resources and draining on everyone's, ability to stay focused. So it will take some time.
You just saw the forensics team head on and out of that other van there on that island. It's very quiet around here, much the same as where Lisa and Sam...
I guess, my heart goes out. I'm over the other side of the world and hearing this unfold, and would I've ever